Hey, good day, folks. Another S Group daily review video. This is video number 128. And yeah, this is a Sunday. I thought I'd do a review video for the Saturday earnings. As you see, it was 0.37%. I'm showing in the back office here in the finance section because the daily bot report, the updates are a little slow. It's like a day or two slow because they're doing other updates in the system. But on Friday, as you see here, we made a 0.37%. And if you add these three, because I have three investments running, if you add all these three amounts together, you're going to get 78.07. So that's how much I made on Friday, $78.07. And if I go to my investments tab here, guys, you can definitely see where I'm at here. So just think, I'm 25 days in, and I have made, yeah, $1,253.85. Think about that, guys. Just having my money invested in this system just for 25 days, and I've made this much money. Sorry, I just had to check something. I heard something on my computer, my other computer I have here. So, yeah, that's incredible. Just think, if you had your money in the bank in 25 days, would you make this type of money? Probably not. Actually, I can almost guarantee you wouldn't. So it's good to have your money invested in something that is in a market that is constantly moving and trading and things of that nature, just like stocks, just like this is Forex, or a company, like having your money invested in something where it's actually earning a substantial amount, as opposed to just having into like a bank, like a GIC or something, where it's earning just like pennies pretty much per day, or if that, you know what I mean. So um, once I do get to 28 days, which will be on Tuesday, because today's Sunday. So actually, Sunday night is when the next day flips over, because the UK, they're 6 hours ahead. So tonight will be 26, and then Monday evening will be 27, and then Tuesday evening will be 28. So I'm going to wait for the earnings on Tuesday. I'm looking to get this to around 1400. So of this 1400, I'm going to take $800 reinvested back in here. So you'll see all that on a video I'm going to do Tuesday. Probably do Tuesday night, do it in real time. So this will be at 26,000. Really excited about that. And then I'll take the rest of the money, which would be about 600 USD or so, put it up here, and then I'll have access to it. I can enjoy the money, take it out, pay bills, things of that nature, guys. And then, so what'll happen is I'll have one giant investment, 25,200, because I'm combining all these together. And then I'll have a brand new one that says 800, and I'm just gonna let that ride for another 28 days and just rinse and repeat, do the same thing over and over again. So I want to keep growing my account, guys. Eventually, I want to get to this tier right here. I know it's going to take a while, maybe a year and a half or so, but I should have some other commissions coming in, other members joining, current members reinvesting, as well as adding additional funds to their account. So that's really great coming in here, guys. If you guys are just checking out this group for the first time, it's a great money. It's a great way to earn passive income. As you see, all you have to do is have money invested in a market, which in this example I have money invested in the Forex market, and the system auto trades for you, and you get a chunk of the profits, and they get the other chunk of the profits. The chunk that you receive depends on the investment level you're at. I was in this level here, just switched over to 80/20. I was in this level for about a year and about 3 months, and then it took me that long to get upgrade to this level, second highest, and then eventually I get to 50,000. But most people, when they come in the system to check it out, they usually come in, the first two levels, and then once they see how things are going, then they upgrade usually to this level. So it's whatever extra money you have hanging around. If you wanted to make money for you, as opposed to just letting it sit in the bank and basically not make anything, I highly advise you guys to join S Group and get involved in this. There's actually a sign up link down below in the description. You can click on the sign up link, join my team, and I'll be here for you. I can answer any questions you have. Shoot me an email as well. My email is in the description down below. And also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below, so that way you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can see all the updates and announcements, my progress and everything, see how things are going, see how the system works. I'll be doing a withdrawal video soon as well on Tuesdays, so you can see that, and reinvestment videos. So that ends my 5-minute daily review video. See you guys in the next one. Take care.